Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Some students are sending messages to me and inquiring how we prepare the weekend exam question papers. So as far as CA Inter is concerned, on every Sunday we will be conducting weekend examinations, and whatever the chapters completed by the date, those chapters will be covered in the weekend examination to be conducted on Sunday. Several students may not be aware that we take any of the examinations being conducted in Masterminds very seriously. I don't know whether you take the exam seriously or not, but we take it very seriously. We consider each and every examination being conducted in Masterminds as equivalent to that of public exams. We give that much importance. Whatever the document you are seeing right now, it's a 4 pages document. It consists of detailed instructions being given to our faculty members in preparing the question papers. My dear students, we have already prepared 15 sets of question papers for each of the chapters. That means we need not prepare the question paper as and when exam is going to be conducted. We might have already finished preparing question papers of all the chapters. For each batch, every time we will be preparing around 15 question papers. And all these 15 question papers will be utilized for conducting weekend examinations to various batches. That means, let us assume there are 100 chapters in CA Inter. So on each chapter, 15 question papers might have already got prepared. So totally 1500 question papers are already prepared by us. And the question paper being prepared by one faculty will be verified by another faculty. And while preparing the question papers, faculty needs to consider all these instructions in mind. It's a 4 pages detailed document giving instructions to our faculty on how to prepare the question papers. And another faculty will verify whether the first faculty has followed all these instructions or not for while preparing the question paper or not. He will also verify the quality of the question paper. My dear students, this is not like your 10th and intermediate examinations. This is a professional course. Even if you prepare 1000 questions in the material, you are going to get a new question in the examination. That's why we shall make you prepared to handle a new question in the examination. How can you handle a new question in the public exam if you don't get habituated for the same in your internal exams? That's why we follow a strict policy that each and every problem given in the question paper must be unique. It cannot be copy pasted from any of the sources. Faculty is supposed to draft the problem on his own. Sometimes they will draft the problem by taking important points from multiple problems and will design a unique problem. So after writing our exam, you must feel that yes, attending classes is different and writing an exam is different. Just by listening to classes, we cannot give an assurance that you will be able to write your exam well. For writing your examination well, you must have thorough practice. You must have the practice of handling new problems. That is why we always insist you to take your rework and written work seriously. If you take your rework and written work seriously, then it becomes very easy for you to handle a new problem either in our weekend exams or in public exams. So let me assure you, my dear students, we are not going to copy and paste any of the problem or any of the question from any of the sources available in the market. We will prepare each and every problem on our own. We will draft each and every question on our own. We will draft each and every MCQ on our own. This will improve the quality of question paper. Unfortunately, several students feel that in your weekend exams, we will just copy paste the questions from our material. I am sorry to disappoint you, my dear students. You need to take your weekend exams so seriously that it is your public exam. That's my objective. So after joining into masterminds, if you go and write the public exams, you must feel it to be another internal exam. So, and don't assume that we are going to give simple, easy problems in our internal exams. No, that's not my policy. That's against to my policy. So, my policy is that we shall make you get ready for facing the public exam boldly. That's why in your public exams, you may get a lengthy question paper. What is this lengthy question paper? A problem which deserves 15 marks, the faculty will allocate only 12 marks or 10 marks. Then automatically question paper becomes lengthy. So in your public exam, either you may get a lengthy paper or you may get a tough paper. Tough paper in the sense, you may find at least one or two problems which you cannot answer with the knowledge of mere material. You will be able to answer such problems only if you have practiced solving the problems well, only if you have solved the rework and written work properly. That is how we are going to design our question papers, my dear students. We have a strict policy that no single question, no single problem, no single MCQ must be included in the question paper as it is. They are not supposed to copy paste. They must modify the question. They must draft the question. They must draft the MCQ. And we will verify whether the faculty is following all these instructions or not. That's why, my dear students, don't get disappointed if you have not written your weekend exams well. So, if let us assume you are unable to write a weekend exam well, you treat it as a lesson. You treat it as a lesson, and from the next chapter onwards, take your rework and written work seriously. Prepare well for your weekend exams and then appear for the exam. And remember, my dear students, even in your public exam, even if you prepare 100% of the syllabus, you may not be able to answer 100% marks in the exam. You can find at least one or two problems which you may not be able to answer with the knowledge of reading material. It's quite common. It's a professional course. They will not let you to answer 100% paper. Only All India first rank or second rank holders, those people may be able to write 100 marks paper. Even in case of those students, they will not be able to write 100 marks paper for all the papers. They may be thorough with 2 to 3 papers, and in remaining papers, they will also have moderate knowledge. Because technically, it's not possible to get specialized knowledge in all the papers at a time. It's not possible. They may have specialized knowledge in 3 to 4 papers. In remaining papers, they will have just moderate knowledge, just like us. That's why, my dear students, I want everyone to get surprised by looking at the question paper. Because in your public exam, the biggest damage is being caused by surprise element. That means you may not be able to perform well just because one or two problems are tough. No, that is not the reason. Surprise. You may go to the exam hall with an assumption that the question paper will be just like 10th and intermediate. But just by looking at the question paper, you will get surprised the way the question paper has been drafted. That surprise element will do more damage than the question paper itself. So my policy is any student who studies in Masterminds shall not have such surprise element while appearing for public exam. How is it possible? By improving the quality of our question papers and see that our question papers are at par with that of public exams. Sometimes even tougher than public exams. That will help us to eliminate surprise element when you go to the public exam. As a result, you will definitely perform well in your public exams. You may feel your public exams just like any other internal exams. And my dear students, we have this kind of strict policy for our CA foundation as well as CA intern. And even in case of our revision exams, we have this kind of strict policies. So that is the reason why our pass percentage is very, very good when compared to that of industry. That is the reason our students perform well in the public exams when compared to that of any other institution. That is the reason we are getting ranks consistently when compared to any other institution in APL Telangana. So I think after watching this video, each and every one of you will take your weekend exams very seriously. I'm not sure whether this quality of work will be happening in other organizations, but as far as Masterminds is concerned, I can assure you that so we will be maintaining utmost quality standards in preparing our question papers, my dear students. I hope that you will take your weekend exams still more seriously. So, especially just after writing the first exam, you might have understood that our internal exams are entirely different from that of other institutions. In other institutions, what happens is they don't put any efforts on question paper, they'll simply copy paste the questions in the question paper. Whatever is there in the material, they will copy paste. In such a case, you will get overconfidence in the weekend exams. You may feel very comfortable for writing internal exams. But if you go to the public exam with the same overconfidence, you may not perform well in the public exams, my dear students. That's why we don't let you to get such kind of overconfidence in our internal exams. You may not perform well in our internal exams, but you will definitely perform well in the public exams. That's what we want. That's why we want. The intention of other institutions is entirely different. They just want you to make you feel happy. As long as coaching is running, you will feel happy. And you will be in a wrong notion that you can answer any sort of question paper since you are writing your internal exams well. But we don't make you to feel so much comfortable in our internal exams. So definitely after writing our internal exams, you will definitely feel that yes, I need to learn something more. With the same inspiration, you will definitely focus well on the further examinations. And when you get habituated of writing our internal exams, then you will definitely perform your public exams well. And you can even check, we have already provided Discover booklet to all of you. If you once check the Discover booklet, you can understand that the standards of our internal exams are far higher than that of public exams, my dear students.